Okay, having a look here at success criteria H, which is the equation for horizontal and vertical lines. Over here on the left-hand side, we've got our horizontal line. We'll get to the vertical line in just a minute. This one over here, what we need to ask ourselves is that when we have an x value of whatever you choose it to be, what is that y value all the time? So if we were to come and plot a point here, x value 2, our y value is always 3. If we were to come over here and plot a point here, we would have an x value of -1 and a y value of 3 always. Okay. Now there's no slope on that line. Okay. So what we say for this one here is that the equation is whatever that y value always is. When y is always 3, it doesn't matter what x is. Okay. Y will always be 3. That's a good way to think of it. Over here on the vertical line, okay, we've got the same scenario except we're looking at a vertical line up and down. So if I was to come and ask you to plot coordinates for this point here, we'd be across to 2 and down to -1. If I was to get you to plot this one here, we would be across to 2 and we'd be up to 3. So that question again, when x is always 2, it doesn't matter what y is. So for this purpose here, the equation is x equals 2.